teachers, and my friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today, my topic is purpose. What is the importance of purpose in our day-to-day life? First of all, I want to tell you the definition of purpose. Having thought about anything and to act on that is called purpose. For example, you get example. I am a student here. This is my level. Whenever I think in my mind, then why not may I go on that place? This is my level. When I will go on that place, this is my purpose. What did I tell you? Having thought about anything, I thought, then why not may I go on that place? When I acted on that, this is called purpose. And always remember, in this world, everything is because of purpose. Light, sun, moon, plants, animals, everything are because of purpose. Let's have an example of sun. Sun, because of sun, we can get vitamin D. We can get vitamin D with the help of sun. And the plants make their food by their own because of sun. When they make their food by their own, by the process of photosynthesis, and the oxygen is produced. The oxygen is so important for us. Means everything in this world is because of the purpose. You all have come here because of the purpose. And in the last I want to tell you that what are the facts? One of the facts do not have purpose. First of all, I give you example. There are two persons. Both have a luxurious car. One of them is purposeful, means he has a purpose. And one of them has not any purpose, means he is a purposeless. Who is purposeful? He can reach his purpose anytime. Today, tomorrow means he can reach his purpose. But on the other hand, who is a purposeless will not achieve anything because he has no purpose. If you haven't money, then how can you get anything? You have money, then you can buy. But if you have no money, then how can you get anything? So you should also get purpose. You should, when you will change the purpose, then you can be successful in life. In the last, I want to tell you the steps to achieve the purpose. The main and the matter is discipline. Means discipline means to follow the rules and regulations is called purpose. For example, we all have come here because of purpose. What is purpose? To learn English language. To learn English language, there are also some rules, including means Sir Ashir Omar Jawi is going to lecture. Then you all should be silent during the lecture time and to listen carefully what our sir is teaching you. Means during the lecture time you have to be silent. If you don't become silent, you can't achieve anything. Means to follow the discipline will lead you to the success. And in the last, I want to tell you a poetry. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया समंदर तलाश कर। मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया समंदर तलाश कर। शीशा है टूट जाता पत्थर की लूट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाता शीशा तलाश कर। Means this is the importance of the best success. Never give up. Don't give your target. Always make target in your mind. What have I to do? Never give up. So I will request all of you to achieve your purpose. If you haven't purpose, then you should always. If you haven't purpose, then you can't be a successful person. Thank you.